Did you just lose your job and wonder how you will pay the bills? To put your mind at ease, it's important to understand there are so many opportunities available to you, whether freelancing, temporary gigs, hopping onto the latest app for some quick tasks, or selling goods online. The possibilities are endless. You may even qualify for extended unemployment benefits or other support to help you during your time of unemployment. But earning money while on unemployment benefits may impact your benefit amount, so it's important to understand your state's rules and regulations before exploring these options. Now, here are 7 ways to earn money when you are unemployed. I'll even provide you with a quick walkthrough on how to use these methods. Let's get started. Number 1, extended benefits eligibility. If you were employed, then it's recommended you check your eligibility for unemployment benefits. Unemployment benefits exist to help protect workers if they lose their jobs through no fault of their own, so they can make ends meet until they find a new position. What are extended benefits? Extended unemployment benefits are additional weeks of unemployment compensation available to workers who have exhausted regular unemployment insurance benefits during periods of high unemployment. To find out your eligibility, visit your state unemployment office to determine if you qualify. If you live in the United States and in the state of Texas, you can visit the Texas Workforce Commission website for more information on the extended unemployment benefits programs. I recommend you use Google to find the information you are looking for, depending on your state. For example, let's assume I live in the state of Pennsylvania. I can type in the following: Pennsylvania Extended Unemployment Benefits. This will take me to the exact page I need to check my extended employment benefits eligibility. Now, if you are not eligible for unemployment benefits, here are 6 additional ways to earn money while unemployed. Number 2, get a part-time or temporary job. When I refer to a part-time, temporary, or seasonal job, I'm talking about a job where you can earn money and still have time to upgrade your certification or search for a full-time permanent role. Blue Crew is an on-demand staffing platform for hiring hourly workers. When you sign up, you provide basic information about yourself and what your experience is. The site will run a background check on you, which usually only takes a few hours. If the company chooses to hire you, you'll get access to shifts. Choose from full or part-time, short or long-term jobs, and get the peace of mind that comes with reliable work. Payday is every week on Friday. You can choose to get paid by direct deposit, which is the fastest method, or paper check, and you will receive a pay stub in advance of your payment. Blue Crew is a great way to earn money on your own schedule, giving you time to study or apply for full-time permanent employment, which aligns with your experience and skill set. Number 3, find a remote job. With the world changing so quickly, remote work has given unemployed people an opportunity to earn income from the comfort of their own homes. It's a great way to earn money and still have the flexibility to balance other commitments. For example, suppose you're upgrading your skills and working towards higher certifications so you can apply for a job more aligned with your experience, etc. In that case, remote work will give you the flexibility to do both. To find remote work opportunities, you can head to sites like LinkedIn and filter using the remote option after you have performed your search. You can also head to Google and search with the following: remote work. Visit the top 4 to 5 websites to explore the remote jobs available. From my experience, some people have had success finding a job on dedicated remote job websites like FlexJobs and remote.co. So I encourage you to explore them both. I have not used them personally, so don't forget to read the reviews before joining. Number 4, easily apply and urgently hiring jobs are golden. Why are easily apply and urgently hiring jobs golden opportunities? These jobs often require less time to submit an application, sometimes needing just a few clicks, making it super efficient for job seekers. On the other hand, urgently hiring jobs are positions that companies are looking to fill immediately, meaning faster responses and potentially quicker employment. When you can quickly apply to multiple jobs, you increase the chances of landing an interview and getting hired. Now, how can you find these jobs? Let's explore 2 popular platforms, Indeed and LinkedIn. Starting with Indeed. On Indeed, start by typing in your job title and location in the search bars. You can use the filters here to narrow your search even more if you like. Then, view the jobs on the left side and look for those marked urgently hiring. After you click the job posting, you can hit the apply button. Now, if you have an account on Indeed with your resume already uploaded, it's as simple as answering a few questions, reviewing your application, and clicking submit your application. Next, LinkedIn has made the process even easier because the search algorithm is more advanced. Let's head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in and have an updated resume on your profile. Next, we'll use the exact search as we did on Indeed. Once the search is complete, you can narrow down to the easy apply by clicking here. Now, click the easy apply button, answer a few questions about your experience, and submit your application. With LinkedIn, you can also use advanced search queries like hiring now or immediately to find companies looking to fill positions right away. Don't forget to hit the easy apply filter and narrow down the search results using the other available filters. Easily apply and urgently hiring jobs are great ways to apply for multiple jobs, increasing your chances of getting noticed and being invited for an interview. Number 5, explore freelance work. Freelance work is when someone works for themselves instead of a company or an employer. Freelancers take on different jobs or projects from various clients. They're not tied to a long-term employer, but instead work on a project-by-project basis. This type of work can cover many areas like writing, designing, programming, and more. Freelancers are like their own bosses. They get to choose what projects they want to work on and setting their own schedules. I added freelance to this list because it doesn't cost you a penny to join the largest platforms in the world, and you don't have to build additional skills to start. For example, here are 2 platforms you can get started with right away. The first is Upwork, which allows you to bid on projects that align with your existing skills. Take time to bid on projects, get hired, and start to make money. Fiverr, on the other hand, lets you offer your skills for hire. You create gigs that highlight your experience and skills and what you offer and for what price. If people are looking for your skill set, they hire you. It's that simple. Once you've completed the job, you submit the project and get paid. Both platforms are free to join, so check them out right away. Another option you have to find freelance work is on Facebook. Some Facebook groups often have job posting for group members. Here's an example using the search freelance writing jobs. As you can see, hundreds of writing opportunities are available in this group. I recommend doing a broader search using freelance and then filtering by groups and exploring each. Number 6, use an app to get gigs. Several apps allow you to find service jobs quickly and pay you right away so you can keep the cash flow coming in. For example, apps like Uber and Lyft are great options if you have a vehicle because drivers keep 70 to 75% of the fare for any ride. But these are not the only options available for you. Some other apps help you find work in different categories like cleaning, caregiving, fixing and repairing, shopping and delivering, and tutoring. Remember, you can do these temporary jobs on your schedule while looking for a full-time job that aligns with your experience, skills, and qualifications. And finally, number 7, sell items you don't need for cash. Everyone has extra items around the house, so turn them into cash by listing them on Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, or Craigslist. Believe it or not, Millions of people buy and sell on these platforms. As a matter of fact, last week I purchased a vintage radio that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and it was a very smooth transaction. So, look around the house and find items you no longer use and list them on these platforms. It doesn't cost you a thing because listing an item is free, and you will be surprised what some people are willing to pay for an item you no longer have any use for. Here's a bonus tip. Browse these platforms and find items high in demand. Then, purchase them from one platform and sell them on another for a higher price. For example, if I find a radio on Kijiji for $50, I may be able to sell this exact item on the Facebook Marketplace for $60, giving me a $10 profit. This is a great way to make money from items you don't own but can get from other people to sell for a profit later. If you want to learn more on how to land jobs and reach your career goals, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell notification button to get new videos every single week. Also, don't forget to hit that like button because that motivates me to keep doing what I do. Stay safe, keep smiling, and good luck.